So here we're talking about, we'll start with red or flushed skin. And remember, again, we're not so much talking about skin type here, but a person who has an imbalance making their skin to be more red or flushed than it would normally be. Okay, so that could be a sign of an internal heat condition or pitta, which could be due to any number of the factors I mentioned earlier: toxins, inflammation, infection, even fermentation in your gut. And the remedy here is we're going to cool down that pitta. We're going to cleanse the liver and the blood or nourish the liver and blood. People always mention the word cleansing the liver too much, in my opinion. It's too much of a fat. We need to sometimes nourish the liver or cleanse it. But the remedy is going to be looking at the liver and seeing what's going on. Where's that heat coming from? We're going to look to the blood and see what's going on in the blood. That could indicate where that heat is coming from. And two herbs that may help are amalaki and bhumi amalaki. Amalaki in general is a cooling herb for the skin, but there are many. So red or flushed skin could be an internal heat condition, but it could also be a cause could also be blood stagnation. Now it's a little hard to see in this photo, but in this case, the person doesn't look so much like they have a flaring heat condition. It could just be that their lymphatic system is excuse me, my throat's a little dry. That their lymphatic system is stagnant, and when that happens, if your blood is not moving very well and it's sluggish, then toxins are going to build up from cellular metabolism. Normally, throughout the day, your cells of your body are releasing waste products, and those waste products have to be flushed out. Well, if you have a stagnant lymphatic system, those toxins don't flush out, they build up, and they cause local inflammation, puffiness, and water retention. So this kind of red flushed skin is going to be, the cause is very different from the first kind, which was a more internal heat condition flaring up. In this case, we're going to just use blood movers like turmeric or diuretics like punarnava and CCFT to just flush things out a little bit.